Hey guys, it's Tony. I will be uploading like 10 videos in the next 20-25 minutes just because I want to update you guys as much as I can with my positions and just everything else that's going on, right? Because I've been pretty busy at work, so it's been hard for me to kind of update things. But really quick, for Rocket, as always, I am still getting that dividend on March 23rd for $49.95. I did end up buying 250 more shares of RKT at like 24 something. I think I got $24, 24 something. As of right now, currently down about 15.7, closer to 16K. I did sell $31.81 calls expiring tomorrow, and I picked up a quick $597. More than likely, these calls are gonna expire not necessarily worthless, but tomorrow more than likely they're gonna be worth like a penny or 2 pennies. I'll probably buy everything back, and then I'm gonna sell more calls expiring next week Friday, and hopefully pick up at least a grand or two on that. For my AI position, still holding, not selling, down about 1100 or 1200 on this. And also for my PLTR position, as you guys know, I did have like an 11K position, currently down about 10%. And that's basically it for my swing trades. And then I'll be updating you guys on the puts that I currently have, and then individually, and then kind of go from there on as to why I bought them.